studio. Hope everyone is doing well. Today's video is going to be some ideas I had when I went to my Dollar Tree store recently, and I wanted to pick up some items that I could use for some crafting projects, kind of focusing on holiday ideas for both gift giving and decor. My goal was to spend $20 or less and come up with as many different projects as I could to give you some ideas on what you can do with some really good buys from Dollar Tree or any of your dollar stores. So hang on, it's coming. And please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, make a comment on what you'd like to see, what you like, and I appreciate you taking the time. And here we go. Here's my haul from Dollar Tree. Excuse the mess. This is a little quick glimpse. I have like a million different things going on in my studio at any given time, and it's really tiny, but it works for me. But I'm always doing something. And today what I'm doing is utilizing some Dollar Tree finds. My budget was 20 bucks, and to come up with some maybe decor, gift items. So let me just run through what I got before I get to the projects. First item is this X-Acto type of blade thing with a couple of different blades. And again, everything was $1. So I have one of these, but you can always use more. So that was that. Then I picked up some acrylic paints. They didn't have a huge amount of colors. I mean, it's not a Michaels. I'm not sure about the quality of these paints, but again, each of these tubes was $1. So we're up to $4. And I picked up 2 of these little unfinished wood boxes with some ideas to make some holiday decor items out of it. And we'll see how that goes. So was 2 of those. And in the wood aisle as well, they had these really cute little wood boxes. Butterfly and owl. They had a few different styles. I've just picked up these 2. And I thought they'd make a nice presentation. Again, either decor or my plan is to use them as a gift box. So we'll see how that goes. The next item, they had this really nice felt, black and white. Picked up 1 of each. Then they had some canvases. And the thing with the Dollar Tree is if you see something you want, you might want to get it because it's not a traditional retailer. So I found that I'll see something, I don't pick it up, I go back, it's gone. The inventory changes quite frequently. But I picked up 2 canvases, 5x7, and I like that they're a little bit of a gallery wrap, which adds a nice finished look to them. So I got 2 of those. And these were just adorable. These little packages. They had 4 different designs. Again, I just picked up 2. But it's a little mini foam roller with a design, with a little paint tin, to pour the paint in, then run this down. And I thought I could use this for a lot of different things. And again, $1 each, 2 of those. Then I picked up their Crafter's Square section is getting much bigger, I found. And each Dollar Tree is slightly different, but the one near me had this really nice word stencil, flexible. And sometimes I like the smaller sizes. I find them a little easier to manage. But very simple, and again, to add some words to these potential projects. And the next item, again, I was kind of gearing towards a holiday theme because it's never too early to start crafting for Christmas. If you're a DIYer, you know what I mean. It's 100 degrees today, but I'm thinking Christmas and the holidays. And I thought these gift bags were just really pretty. I love the gold and the black and the reindeer shapes and some nice borders that I'm got ideas on with little tree shapes. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I picked up 2 placemats. One that says blessed and one that says Live, Love, and Eat, basically for the coloration. I'm drawing a blank. I'm so sorry. So I'm thinking of utilizing these in some way, which I haven't quite figured out just this moment. The only items I'm going to be using that I didn't pick up on this trip are brushes and adhesive. So everything else in these projects to come are all from my Dollar Tree. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, I think it was $18 altogether for the stash. And I think I can come up with some really good ideas that you can use on your own, and hopefully they'll work out. So stay tuned and we'll find out together. So we're going to start with these 2 little wood boxes, and I put some wax paper down to protect my surface. And I just poured a bunch of the white acrylic into this cute little paint pan. Try to soak up as much as I can. We're not going to see a pattern with this because it's all one color. So just going to roll it over. And I'm not overly concerned with neatness because I think I'm going to be covering a lot of it, and I'm also not going to worry about the back. So we're going to end up doing both of these. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm waiting for the paint to dry. I'm going to start deconstructing one of the gift bags. I'm not going to bore you with all that, but I'm basically going to cut out all the different elements, keep the shoelace, the gift tag, and cut out all the different elements. So I'll show you that when it's all finished. So these are the deconstructed pieces of one of the gift bags. So we're going to have 4 reindeer in different patterns. So we have some of the borders and some of the sides. We have a couple of trees, the gift tag. So I'm going to show you how I've decided to try to incorporate these into different projects. So here we go.